This morning I start my day with faith, not with sight. This morning I start my day with the knowing, not with the believing. You see, you can believe that things will change and still lose faith. But when I know it's gonna change, it must happen. There's a difference between believing and knowing. You believe in God, that's why you can backslide anytime. But when I know my God, even though it don't come true for me, I know He's the God. It said that Mexican Abednego made the statement unto the king. He said, you can throw us in the oven, our God will come and save us. But even though it don't come true for us, we're still not gonna bow before a foreign God. So they know God is God without their circumstances. It's time to step into God and not into your problems. It's time to step into God and not into your ways. It's time to step into God and not into your strife and tribulations. It's time to step into God, not God, you will change it. God, you are God and you are amazing. Even though you don't change my circumstances, you are still God. Even though you don't give a solution for my problem, you are still God. So this morning I want to encourage someone to say, live by faith and not by sight.